Welcome to a new series I'm going to call Eaglesoverlanding Gear Installs. Disclaimer, I am not paid to make this video. I have just been asked to make a video about this product. Today, we are taking a look at the Boslla Bullet Series lights. These are marketed to be the world's first 4-color LED bulb assembly for your vehicle. You can find the link in the description below.
First creek crossing.
Quickly, my truck's filling up.
Hey, I'm stuck.
Woo! Finally! Slow!
Why not stop?
I'm getting stressed.
Hold on, watch that rock right there. Way to go, two-wheel drive. You killed it.
So a neat feature about these Boslla lights, which I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, is they change colors. So you got your white, you got your warm yellow, and you got your yellow. They do have a model that your 4th mode flashes. However, they do not offer that model for the 1st Gen Tundras. But either way, they're pretty cool. So why yellow? You may notice I run most of my forward-facing lights, such as my Baja Designs LP9s and the Baja Designs Squadron Sports, as fogs and ditch lights. This is specifically because, in my opinion, you can see better in rain, snow, sleet, and dust. Alright, now time for the unboxing. So you have 2 light bulbs and basically the switch chips. So this is what lets you change the colors. First things first, we're going to remove the existing bulbs from the truck. I currently have LED lights installed, but they are not bright and do not produce an even spread. Now that we have removed everything from the box, we're going to remove the glass cover and begin installing the wiring harness. That was a pretty easy install. It's currently still bright outside, but when it gets darker, definitely check it out. Alright guys, this is going to conclude the video. I know it's a little bit different than my previous videos that I usually do. I don't really do review videos, but this company reached out, seemed like a great product, thought I would put it in and give it a quick review. So far what I've noticed is if the lights get too hot, you can't change the colors. Now, these have 3 modes. You've got your warm yellow, you got your white, and you got your just yellow. But as I'm driving, I could only keep it on white. I could not change it. And I think that is because they're getting too hot. The garage light just turned off, so sorry if it's too dark. Other than that, they're so much brighter, especially when my brights are on. They spread so much better than my last pair. And of course, that also has to do with your headlight assemblies. I have aftermarket headlight assemblies. So that's that. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Do you hate it? Do you like it? And if there's a question you have about these, let me know, and I'll get back to you guys on it. See you guys next week. Alright, sorry for the horrible audio. I took my mics off, but I'm going to turn my fog lights off. Okay, and now this is white. These are low beams, by the way. So as you can tell, they weren't quite cool enough, so the amber is only working on one side. But we got white, they work.